I have a confession. 6 months ago, I felt like I was disappearing. I was a chef, I was a cleaner, I was a professional diaper changer, but I wasn't me. I had these huge business dreams and high income skills I wanted to learn, but I felt like I was drowning in mom duties. Then I decided to stop trying to find more time and start using AI to buy my time back. Today, I'm cooking dinner for my family, but AI tools are actually running my business in the background. If you feel like you've lost your CEO self to your mom self, let me show you how you can get it back. Now, the biggest myth is that you need a quiet office to build an empire. I don't have that. My office is my kitchen most of the time, but I use AI tool called Otter AI or sometimes even just ChatGPT mobile app to actually do the voice mod. While I'm preparing this meal, I'm literally writing my next video script or maybe drafting an email to a potential brand partner. I just talk. Hey ChatGPT, I want you to summarize my thoughts on how to scale or maybe a $10 affiliate account and turn it into a 5-step checklist.
Absolutely, I can do that. If you share your thoughts or key points on scaling your affiliate account, I'll help you condense them in a step checklist. Whenever you're ready, just let me know.
By the time the onions are sauteed, my content for the week is outlined and also some clients waiting for me. Now, this isn't just multitasking, it is using AI to remove the mental block of sitting at a laptop when you are extremely exhausted. Now, people normally ask me, how do I keep up with some of the AI trends? The truth, I don't watch 2 hours webinars. I use video summarizers. If there is a high-level masterclass on AI automation, or maybe I just take it and feed the link into an AI tool that actually gives me the key takeaways in 3 minutes. I'm upscaling my skills also, learning how to prompt, how to use Midjourney for product photos and other AI tools like Gemini, Dzine AI, PERPLEXITY, Manners AI, N8N, and much more, and how to actually analyze even data, all while the kids are napping or maybe playing. You don't need to go back to university. You just need to learn how to use AI as your personal tutor. My analytics or maybe my summaries show that when I talk about these high level skills, my RPM also actually goes up. Why? Because I'm teaching you how to be a high value even with a busy lifestyle, even if you are a stay-at-home parent. Now let's talk business, guys. You saw me, or maybe you saw in one of my videos the other time about AI influencer experiment that ran because of scheduling or maybe because of automation. I use tools like Repurpose AI and also other tools to actually automate some of the things that I'm doing to make sure that I'm earning or maybe I'm getting the results without even me filming a video. Okay, I filmed maybe one video like the one you saw, and AI helps me to slice it into 5 shots or maybe other shots. Another tool I use is actually Clinch AI. There are so many tools that we can use, but for me I prefer something that's gonna give me the best results and also something easy to understand. There are so many, like I said. Now those shots go out while I'm at the park with my kids, maybe taking maybe playing and stuff like that. While I'm focused on my family, the AI is actually focused on my growth. If you are a stay-at-home parent, automation isn't just luxury. It is your only way to complete or maybe to compete, okay? Now, we are building systems that work when we can't, okay? Because we need that time. And also, there's so many other tools like that can actually help our own kids to learn or engage in activities even if we are actually homeschooling. You can actually literally use AI tools like let's say Dzine AI or maybe Gemini or Midjourney or ChatGPT. But for me, normally what I normally use it is also Kittle AI. and also Dzine AI. They just give me the perfect designs when it comes to creating something like kids coloring book, or maybe their stories in terms of actually creating kids book for maybe for sleep, for going to school and stuff like that. And it just saves you a lot of time instead of you actually thinking for a lot of time, what will my kids read today, what will my kids do today. You can use AI to actually help you save time, and as well as make them creative in terms of actually what you are offering to them as a stay-at-home mom, or maybe as a busy mom. Okay, so that is an idea that I have. And like for now you can see that we already cooked, the food is already done, just a few minutes that we have been talking with you, and the kids gonna come and we're gonna enjoy the food together, and it's gonna give me an humble time to go and do other things. For instance, continue with my products, or maybe edit my videos, or maybe do something else in terms of actually creation, and also improving your own skills. Now, how do I get time for myself? Okay, this is a common question people normally ask. When it comes to myself, I prioritize myself first. Sometimes I take time just to sit down, have my cup of coffee, chill without disturbance, and just do something for yourself. Okay, maybe go for a walk, or maybe just chill at home, or maybe drink something healthy, do something, just relax your mind, or maybe dance, or something that makes you feel better or happy. Now, if anyone tells you that like if one tells you that you already figured out everything, the formula of parenting, the formula of managing time as a busy mom, as maybe a stay-at-home mom, or maybe whatever, they are lying to you, because there's no actual real formula. Every person has their individual needs, or maybe they have their individual things that they are doing, and it is not a guaranteed formula that you can do this and this and this and this. Especially as a mom, for me, I speak like a parent, it's not easy, because at one time you need to do this, you need to fix this, you need to maybe help here and there, and it actually interferes with your normal routine, and it's not easy. Let me just say, parenting and actually having time and doing other things, even if you are a stay-at-home parent, I'm not kidding you, it's not easy. So don't ever tell someone who sits at home and tell them, oh, your work is just to sit at home, you are doing nothing. They are doing a lot of things behind the scene that you guys are not doing. Let's say, for instance, if you install a camera maybe inside the house of a stay-at-home mom, and who has maybe running her own business, or maybe doing other things to develop herself, and also just dealing with everything at home, you will find that she's even working more than just a person who is going to work and stuff like that. It's not easy, guys, but for me, luckily, I have the tools. I know I'm not overdoing it, and I'm not doing, or maybe I'm not using a lot of AI tools to make my mental health and not good. I'm just focusing on what I can, because I'm not a guru, I'm not a tech guru. I'm just learning in the process, and also I'm not an expert in anything. But throughout this season, I have been learning a lot, and it has improved myself as a mom, as a digital creator, and just amazing how things can go fast, or maybe how you can gain knowledge even if you are not going to school. Okay, and I'm not saying that you quit going to school. I'm not saying that you don't graduate. Please, if you have a chance, go to school, acquire those skills. They're gonna help you a bunch of time. So guys, that is it for today. This was a simple cook with me while we are talking at home, and I would love to hear from you, especially my fellow moms, or maybe my fellow parents, stay-at-home parents. Even if you are not a mom, you are a guy. We have still dads who are actually stay at home, and they are actually doing an amazing job. I would want to hear from you, from your thoughts. What are some of the tools that you are using, especially when it comes to AI? What are you using to help yourself to do what, to manage all these things in terms of actually time management? And let me tell you, the things that I've mentioned, they are just a little bit. They are not even the full ones, or maybe the full package that I normally do, because behind the scenes we have other tools, like in terms of social media, that actually runs throughout to actually make sure that I make at least one sale, or maybe to actually make sure that I get, or maybe I gain a sale, or stuff like that. So those ones, they need me to actually show you maybe on my screen, so that we can dive in and start using, and also create money, and also improve ourselves in terms of everything. Otherwise, guys, I hope I have actually this video gonna help you. If it has, you have gained any value, you want to see more, or you can relate with this video, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, share with any person who needs this information, and I'll see you next. And don't overthink, don't overwork. Okay, be yourself, relax, use what you can, any AI tool that you can, and let God do the rest. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.